talk about fitness in a woman's life and the importance of it. So before I embarked on the path of being an entrepreneurship coach and on my initiative for women empowerment through entrepreneurship, my first gig or my first venture as an entrepreneur was I opened a dance and fitness studio. I am heavily invested into wellness space as well as wellness as a mode of keeping not just your physical body healthy, but keeping your emotional well-being intact. And today I'm going to talk about why it is so important for women to exercise and make that a part of their life's routine. Just as we keep cooking as a routine in our life or dropping our children to school as a must-do task in our life, the same way, fitness, any form of fitness, whether it's your walk, whether it's a yoga, whether it's a cardio class or going to gym, any form of fitness has to become an integral part of your everyday life. And I'm going to talk about why. So being in the fitness industry for the last 20 years across different countries around the world, whether it was USA or Singapore, Japan, France, India, what I've realized one thing commonly among women is that we always put our fitness, our health on the back burner. Somehow it's never a priority for us for various reasons, because we multitask. There are so many balls that we are juggling. It's our work that we juggle with, main home front that we juggle with. These are the two main balls. Then we have our parents that we have to take care of, children if you have children, your marriage, whole lot of things that are going around. And in that somewhere, fitness and health just doesn't stay as a priority for us. Whereas I think it should be our foremost priority, because if we are not fit, if we are not healthy, if we are not emotionally feeling good about ourselves in our life, we are not going to be able to take care of these other responsibilities with utmost perfection or in balance. So let's talk about fitness and why it is so important. First thing, a regular fitness regime in your life, whether it is walking, like I said, whether it is yoga, whether it is pranayam, whether it is going to a gym or anything, it helps you to remove or to de-stress yourself in that moment. So it is that time when you just pause in your multifunctional, super fast day that is going by, and you pause and you let go of all that accumulated, I didn't do this, that's not happening, okay, this, that negative energy, or that energy that is sapping you from your positivity into your fitness regime, and let it out. It is that moment of half an hour or 1 hour, which is your time alone with yourself, which you're spending alone with your body, where you're trying to create harmony and come in sync with what is important in your natural state of being. That 1 hour that you're taking out for yourself, for your own fitness regime, will help you to stay fit, to get into shape, to tone up your body, to get rid of the toxins in your body, to de-stress emotionally, to create a healthy body for yourself. So all the things that we can be susceptible to, like thyroid, like diabetes, like unmanaged stress levels, not feeling great in terms of our physical energy, our source of energy and feeling uplifted through the day, all of that will get taken care of if we can make fitness regime a regular part of our daily life. The second most important thing about going for a regular health and fitness regime is that because it keeps us in shape, it tones our body, it keeps us lean and fit, we feel good about ourselves when we look in the mirror. It's not about what people say about us, but it's about how we feel about ourselves when we see ourselves in the mirror. And when you feel good about the shape that you're in, about how your body looks, or how you feel energized within your body, automatically you feel good about your life. So if you want to have very many number of good days in your life, then you need to feel good every single day, and that will come out of having a good fitness regime. Going for cardio classes can not only just burn fat, but it increases your stamina. Stamina is something that we need throughout the day as women, because we are running from class to class for our children. We are going into work, working out, going in again, we are going into the kitchen, we are running so many errands throughout the day. We need a lot of physical energy to be able to sustain. And for that, we need high amount of stamina. And that stamina gets built up through pranayam and through a good amount of cardio. So cardio is a very important aspect of our fitness regime, and it must be incorporated. So I'll tell you an example about myself. 20 years I've been into the fitness field. I've gone through 2 pregnancies, and I've danced through my 8th month of pregnancy. And that's because my body was already used to this form of exercise when I got pregnant. And both the times I've been able to maintain normal delivery, full term delivery, as well as 2 healthy babies. And all of this I contribute, or I credit it to my regular fitness regime, because I have been dancing every single day throughout my life for 20 years. I've been able to reduce and to lose my pregnancy weight, and I had gained almost 25 pounds through each of my pregnancies, which is 12.5 kgs. So to be able to reduce that simply through a regular fitness regime. Not through dieting, not through these crash diets where you stop eating food and you start doing random things. No, just simple regular exercise, which is good for your health. The other thing great that has happened in my life because of a regular fitness regime is that, of course, I've not had to change my wardrobe sizes, because I've always maintained the same size all through pretty much 20 years of my life, minus the pregnancy time. It has also allowed me to stay emotionally healthy and reduce. A lot of people talk about post-pregnancy trauma or depression. They talk about down days that they go through, during pregnancy, after it. I personally have not experienced it, because I feel that my ability to stay fit, or to be in a continuous state of fitness, having that fitness regime, has helped me to balance my hormones all through my pregnancy as well as post-pregnancy, to be able to avoid that phase of feeling depressed or feeling not so good about life or my weight, all of that during that time. So it really, really helps in a lot of different ways. And I have noticed this, that the days when I'm not feeling that great, if I've had an argument with somebody, or I've gotten an email with not very great news about something, and I've been feeling kind of low, the moment I go to my fitness class, the moment I go and take a run around the track, I suddenly start to feel elevated in my mood and uplifted. It has that magical power to change the state of your thoughts and your being, or your well-being, by just going for a run, or just going and doing yoga, just doing pranayam, meditation, any form, or just going for a walk with your headphones and listening to some great music, or listening to some good satsang, anything that can help you just balance your hormones and get rid of the negative toxins in your body through your fitness regime. So trust me, it is extremely important in our life. हमें ये करना ही है. This is not an option, it's a must. And how you take out that half an hour or 1 hour in your daily life to make this a part of your everyday priority list is up to you. but it has to happen if you want to be joyful, if you want to be happy, and if you want to be healthy. And remember this, if you are not healthy, you cannot take care of your loved ones around you. If you're not happy, you're not going to be able to make others happy. If you're not in a state of well being, there is nothing you can do to make others feel well about themselves. So it starts at you. Take care of yourself, and then you can take care of the entire world. But the journey and the path starts right here. So please take anything simple and make it a part of your fitness schedule every single day. It can be a simple walk. You don't have to spend money into a gym to say that, oh my God, I don't have money. I don't want to drive. I don't know how to drive. So how will I go to a gym? Simple walking is good enough. Go on YouTube. There are plenty of walking videos, fast walking videos. You can just do from your home or your bathroom yourself, and they can be good cardio for you. You can go out and walk in the nature. You can go for a run around, and it feels really, really good to be able to run. Break a sweat. Go join a cardio class, a Zumba class. You can do yoga, and that can make you break a sweat as well as bring you in harmony with yourself. Go to a gym, go lift weights, go kickboxing, do whatever you love to do. Go and do classical dancing, whether it's Kathak, Bharatanatyam, whatever fancies you. But do something that will make you break a sweat. There is some sort of exercise in your life, and that becomes a part of your everyday schedule. So next time, I want you to come back, leave comments on how you have created something which is a part of your daily fitness schedule. Share with us. We would love to hear from you, and we would love for you to share it with others so they can make it a part of their life too and be motivated for it.